Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is looking at a couple of things from Uncle Geoff's cupboard, fridge, bathroom. For example, a can or a tin of Coke. Can or tin. A packet of biscuits. A packet of biscuits. A box of cereal. A box of cereal. A bottle of wine. A carton of apple juice. A jar of jam. Delicious. We've got a tube of toothpaste, maybe not delicious, but deliciously minty. And also a bar of chocolate. A bar of chocolate. That is delicious, and I'm going to eat some. See you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.